Considering launching an LLC in Wyoming? There are some standout perks that make this state a top choice for entrepreneurs. Today I'll walk you through those benefits, what to keep in mind if you're outside Wyoming, and the essential steps to set up your LLC. Plus, I'll share a little secret on how to keep those advantages going strong, something most sources overlook. And if you're looking to streamline the process or save on professional services, I'll touch on that too. Why Wyoming stands out for LLCs. Many folks think about forming in their home state, but Wyoming offers benefits that can be tough to ignore, especially around privacy and legal protections. The law in Wyoming is designed to protect both your assets and your identity. One key feature is what's called the charging order protection for single-member LLCs. This means if you're sued personally, your LLC's assets stay safe. You can't be forced to sell company assets to pay personal lawsuits. It's a crucial layer of security that Wyoming offers more robustly than many other states. Plus, Wyoming does not require listing members or managers publicly. That cloak of privacy lets you keep personal info off the public record. Still, most business owners opting for this benefit use professional services to handle filings subtly and securely. Even with these perks, it's wise to set up your LLC in the state where your main business activities take place or where you personally reside. This minimizes complications and costs. Steps to launch your Wyoming LLC. 1. Pick a name. Choose a business name that reflects your brand, but also meets Wyoming rules. Your name must include limited liability company or abbreviations like LLC. Check existing names on the Wyoming Secretary of State's website to ensure availability. If you're not ready to start, you can reserve your name for up to 120 days for $60. 2. Designate a registered agent. This is your point of contact for legal documents. The agent needs to be a Wyoming resident or a licensed company, like Filing Fox. You can act as your own, but staying available during business hours is crucial. 3. File the Articles of Organization. This legal document officially creates your LLC. You'll need your LLC's name, your registered agent's info, your principal business address, your contact details, and a signed consent form from your agent. Filing online costs $100. Mailing is slightly cheaper at $100. 4. Create an operating agreement. While Wyoming doesn't legally require one, drafting a clear operating agreement helps prevent disputes by setting ownership and operational rules from the start. There are free templates, or you might consider professional help. 5. Obtain an EIN. The IRS issues an employer identification number. Think of it as your business's social security number. It's free and necessary for opening bank accounts or hiring staff. 6. File the beneficial ownership report. Starting January 2024, new LLCs must submit a beneficial ownership report within 90 days of formation. It discloses who truly owns the company. Failing to report can lead to hefty fines, so being diligent here is worth it. An extra layer of privacy with professional assistance. Many entrepreneurs choose to work with expert services like Filing Fox to keep their details private and simplify filings. These services ensure your personal info isn't splashed on public records, reducing spam and solicitation. For an affordable fee, they can handle filings and ongoing compliance tasks, saving you time and worry. Maintaining your Wyoming LLC. Once your LLC is set up, maintaining it involves annual filings and tax obligations. Wyoming requires a yearly report and license tax based on your assets, due by the first month after formation. Honestly, missing deadlines can be costly, so using an automatic reminder service is a smart move. While Wyoming is free of state income taxes for LLCs, federal taxes still apply. This includes income tax, self-employment taxes, and, depending on your operations, sales, or property taxes. Staying on top of these ensures your business remains in good standing. Wrapping it up. Forming an LLC in Wyoming offers strong legal protections and privacy benefits. Following these steps carefully and considering professional help can make the process smoother, keeping your business safer and more compliant. If you'd like to explore this further or need personalized assistance, reaching out to Filing Fox at info@filingfox.com can get you tailored support without the stress. Whether you're just starting out or expanding into Wyoming, strategic planning now can set your business on a strong path forward.